Welcome back to another video, guys. So we're having a market outlook on crash 500 index. We have a market situation basically, so I want us to have a look on it together. So you all know, whenever we want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for opportunities in the market, to start from the higher time frame. So we start from the weekly time frame basically, and preferably because we can see the picture, we can see the overall market structure, we can see the bigger picture on the higher time frame. We can see how the market formation looks like and the overall market direction. So on the weekly time frame, basically you can see the market have been pushing to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. Like we got a high at this point, and we got another high at this level too, another high at this point as well, and this was our last high at this zone. This was our last high. So we can see that the market is creating lower highs and lower lows, making the market direction downward. So you have seen the bigger picture on the weekly time frame, which is the market pushing to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows, and we have a low at this point as well. We have a low, another low too. We have a low here too. So low at this point. Sorry, I'm pushing to the upside, but yeah, we have a low, lower lows and lower highs, and this is the last low the market created at this point. So what's the market situation on crash 500 index? What are we to look out for on this market formation? So let's head to the daily time frame to see what the market looks like on the daily time frame. But firstly, let's identify our zones and our levels on the weekly time frame. Identifying our current levels, like our current levels, because that's the levels we'll be looking at for trade reaction to, because that's the nearest level at the moment. So we have to identify our levels. We have this level as a zone in the market. We have this zone, the market reacting to this point. You can see the market bouncing off this zone as a support, breaking below it, coming back to test it again like support, on resistance, then give us this little sell-off, finally give us a breakout of it, came back to it, didn't really give us a bounce off it, like a bounce off resistance level, turned support, then we got the break below it. Finally the market came back to give us a retest on this level, like support, turned resistance, then we can see the sell-off on the weekly time frame. So what's the situation? We have to go to the lower time frame to see, and we have this level 2 as well on the weekly time frame. You can see this level was a level of support in the past. The market bouncing off this level, breaking below this level, giving us a retest on it, like then a sell-off. We have seen the market giving us a double approach to this level, the first approach, and we have the second approach at this point. We have to go to the daily time frame to see how the structure looks like. So in the daily time frame, you can see that the market gave us this formation, like give us these lows at this point, and we have seen the market have been consolidating for some time now, like have been in a range, like without giving us a sell-off or a buy-off. Like the market has just been in a zone for some time now. You can see at this point, like giving us a ranging formation. But in this ranging formation, we have a market situation at this point. We have seen that the market give us a sell-off, like a kind of a descending channel formation at this point. Like, let's identify it. So we have seen the market giving us a structure of this kind, then we got a breakout on it, like we got the market breaking out of this our descending channel, and we all know that descending channels are reversal patterns in the market. Like whenever we see the market selling up, then we see a descending channel that flows up, we're expecting a reversal to the upside, and we got one at this point. So we have seen that the market gave us a break out of this our descending channel, giving us a new formation of an ascending channel, would say, matching up with our new lows, lower highs, creating new lower highs. You can see there's a low at this point, another low, but a higher low in this case, and we had a high at this point too, another high, but this was our high. Like the market now created a new high that broke above, or that closed above this our last high. So there's a kind of a change of market structure in this zone. So let's identify our nearest level to our nearest key level, and we have this level 2 as a key level in the market. You can see this level, the market reacting to this zone as a support, bouncing off here, finally breaking below it, then retesting it as a resistance, support on resistance. You can see the market reacting under this level, like trading below this our resistance level. We got a breakout of it, like a fake out, then market breaking below it again, then finally we got a breakout of it in this zone. So technically this level have turned to support level, because we have seen the market reacting under this level as a resistance. Finally we got a breakout of it, and the market reacting to our weekly time frame resistance level that we identified. So, and we have seen this our daily time frame level being broken above, like a breakout of this our level. So we're expecting the market to give us a sell-off back to this our zone a kind of a retest for a buy opportunity in the coming days. So what are we to look out for? What are we to what's our outlook on the market, like, or how we to take advantage of this market situation? And so let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Basically, so on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the market came to this point and gave us this equal highs, this double top formation at this zone on the reaction of our level, like on the reaction of this our zone that we identified on the weekly time frame. The market is giving us this reversal pattern, and double top formation is a reversal pattern, so we got a formation at this point. So what are we to expect on how we have gotten our reversal pattern? There's always a neckline, as I do see. There's a neckline on all reversal formations, and we got a neckline of this or double top formation at this point. So we have seen that the market broke below this our double bottom. So what are we to expect? Technically, we can see the market give us a retest at this our zone, like a support level, turn resistance, like our neckline broken. Then we expect a retest of it for a sell-off to our level. Remember, we have our market targets at this zone for a buy on the daily time frame. So we could see a sell-off, like a retest of this our level of our neckline, then a sell-off to the downside to go test our daily time frame support level. So what are we to see? Let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see clearly how the formation looks like. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that market gave us this breakout, like there's a clear breakout of this our level. So we could see a retest on this zone, a retest back to this our level, like a retest. So looking out for opportunities, for short-term sell opportunities in this our level, in this zone, looking out for short-term sell opportunities at this level. So if we can get the market give us a push back to this our zone, we're looking out for price action or market reactions at this level for a sell back to this our support zone on the data frame. Then looking out for long-term buys in the coming days on the 500 index. So that's my outlook, and that's how I technically analyze the market using price actions and all of that. So beware to smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. And to my 20 viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Let's keep going with you guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.